So today I will walk you through some of the new features which I have added to the script. So most of the features are in SBCs, but we have added few features in auto buyer as well as in pack opening. So I'll walk you through all the features, and some of the features are paid and some of the features are for free users. So when I'm explaining the feature, I will let you know if it is paid or a free one. Okay. So the first thing I will show you is around generate solution. So for those who don't know, we have something called generate solution, which based on your club players as well as the SBC's requirement, will try to automatically generate a solution fulfilling all these requirements. So now when you are generating solution, you will have this pop-up where you can select duplicate players. So if you have lots of duplicate players in your unassigned pile, you instead of having to discard them, you can use them to solve SPCs. Okay. So now since I have Pulisic in my unassigned duplicate as an unassigned duplicate player, I can use him to generate some solution. So if I click OK, it will now try to generate a solution. So it might take a couple of minutes to come up with a solution. So let's wait a bit. So previously it used to generate the solution faster, but we have increased the search time so it can try out few, like it can try out different combination and come up with a solution which closely matches the requirements. So previously, if team rating requirement was 87 or 88, it used to generate solution which has rating as 90 or 92. So now since we have increased the search time, it will try to match team ratings or any other requirements as closely as possible. So if you see the team rating requirement was 87, it generated an 87 uh, rated squad. And if you see, it included Pulisic as well in the solution. So now all you need to do is you can submit the solution. So this is what we added in the generate solution. You can use duplicates as well as now we have an option called swap players. So for example, if you don't want to submit Forlan, what you can do is you can go to swap players. Okay. And then you can uncheck all and select only Forlan. So instead of Forlan, it will try to replace him with some other player with whom fulfilling all the requirements of the SBC. Okay. So now if I click OK, so now instead of Forlan, it has used one more player. And even if you want to keep him, again you can use swap players, and you can swap multiple players as well. So if I use swap player, maybe I'll, instead of like I will check all, and I will replace Dembele and Payet. And if it's not able to find a solution, it will tell you as well. So now if you see, instead of Dembele and Payet, we got different combinations. So in this way, you will be able to easily generate additional solutions as well until uh, you find a squad which you wanted. Okay. So now all you need to do is you can submit it. So like I'm not going to submit it. Instead, I will show one more feature. So this one is only for paid user, but the one I'm currently going to show is for everyone. Okay. So if you go to squad builder, now you will have an option to prioritize duplicates. So when you're building squad, the duplicate players will come first, then the rest of the players will come. Okay. So I have Pulisic as a duplicate player. Okay. So now what I'll do is I'll just give build squad. So if you see, rest all is bronze, but it used Pulisic in the solution. Okay, so if you have multiple untradables, all those untradables will come before all the other players. Okay, so here he was placed in this position. If you don't want him in that position, what you can do is you can just ignore position. So it will just place him here. Then you can have all the other untradables, untradable duplicates as well. Okay. And the next one what we added was previously we have something called Multisolve SBC. So it will try to solve multiple SBCs with a single click, uh, like repeatable SBCs multiple times with a single click. So now, initially we had only support for few SBCs. Now we have extended it to few more SBCs as well. So you can use it for daily upgrades. So if I go to daily gold upgrades, yeah. So now you will have solved multiple times, and here you can specify the number of times you want to solve this SBC. I think I can only solve it 8 more times today. Okay. So what I will do is I will give 8 here and then ask it to fit solution. So these are the 8 solution it got for me, and then I can start solving it. So it will keep generating each solution and submit it one by one. So we just gotta wait for like couple of minutes for it to submit everything, and you will get a notification as well when each solution is submitted. And again, this is going to be a paid feature because all the solving is done on our server side, like generating the set of solutions. So since we incur server cost, we have to make it paid one. Yeah, it submitted 4 solutions. And let's wait for like 2 more minutes. So we have like lots of wait time between each solution. So to reduce the chances of getting soft ban, that's why it's taking this much time. But yeah, it's like uh, good to be safe. Okay. So I completed all the gold upgrade SPCs for today. And now if I go to store, you see I have all this solution, all these packs which I got from solving it 8 times. Okay. And I have this policy. So since we didn't submit the SPCs which we had from which we had policy in the solution is still in my unassigned pile. So what I'll do is I'll just swap with the tradable one and then move him to the untradable so I can open the packs. So now, like using multi-solve SBCs, you have solved so much SBCs. Now, if you go to my pack section, you will have lots of packs, right? So to easily open all these packs, we have something called open packs. So previously we have it for in the packs which are in stores. Now you will have it for your packs as well. So you can click this and then here, this is similar to the other one. Can choose what you wanted to do, and for my packs you will have an additional section called untradable. So here you can either leave it in unassigned or you can like send the items to the club, and then for duplicates it will swap, and if the item is tradable it will send it to the transfer list. If it is not tradable then it will quick send. So I'll choose that one. Rest all is fine for me, and then I will start. So we have like 8 packs I think. So in this way, you can easily multi-solve SBCs and then easily open all the rewards pack as well instead of having to manually do it each time. And as of today, all these updates are in Chrome extension. So I will leave the link in the description. So if you haven't installed it, you can install it. For the iOS and Android app, the update is still in review. So once the update is approved, the update should be available in mobile apps as well. I think we should have an notification which says how much pack is left, I think, because currently I don't know how much pack it has opened. I think maybe 1 or 2 should be left by now. this should be the last one or last before one, I think. We have few more packs. I think ideally this should be the last one. Ah, yeah, one more, I think. I solved it only 8 times, right? I'm not sure how many packs it's there. Hopefully this is the last one. Yeah, so it opened all the packs, and the items based on whatever you have selected, it would have handled it in that way. Okay, and yeah, that's it for the packs. So we have added auto open packs for my packs, and in the auto buyer we have added this guided tour. So if you are if someone is start using the auto buyer for the first time, we will walk him through on how to use it. So here it will say you can select gold, rare, and then it will walk you through some of the error scenarios which you can get. And all the transactions which are done as part of the tutorial is just a dummy transaction, so you won't either lose a car or gain coins or players. Yeah, so this is one of the new thing which we have added. So for new users, it will be helpful, I think. So I think that's it from my side. These are the new features which we have been working on for the past few weeks. So if you have any doubts or if you have some error, please join our Discord server. We'll be able to help you with your errors. And if you have any suggestion or improvements, either leave it in the comment section or you can join our Discord server and let us know in the feedback section. Yeah, so thanks for watching. Have a nice day.